So, how's this video look? I think I'll turn this light on. Yeah, I still got to turn this bright ass light off. There. Now, well, crap, the video looks worse. But anyways, sorry about that. My EV vehicle, my Jaguar I-Pace electric vehicle, kept pulling to the right and ping-pong down the damn track is because of this. And because of my stupid brain. Now, when I look at this, now this one's not been cut. But where's my little snips? See, it has the 3 prongs, 2, and a 1. Right? Right. Well, maybe you can't. So I cut this one off. Wait a minute. Okay, these are both the same directions. Alright, what I noticed is when I put them on here, I tie them straight down. You know, I put a rubber band on here and put the rubber band on there. You get the picture. It's pulling straight down. However, I should have pulled forward. Which, how am I going to do forward? I normally use one rubber band to go around the bottom, through the grooves, and back on top. And that's why this guy was pulled. That's the only reason I can figure. I don't have my car back yet. It'll be later this week. If this car or tire is farther behind, it's going to want to go this way all the time. And that's what it did down the track. Alright, now the back two look pretty good because they pulled forward. So, with that being said, I'm working on these. This is the Viper. Hope I'm on camera. And they both pull forward. Wait, did this both? Yes, they both pulled forward. So what I'm doing on this is I'm putting the car in here. And I'm running one rubber band through this axle, down around, coming around underneath the bottom to the other side, just to get the tension I need. And then the other rubber band down around to the other side to pull it forward. And then the back goes forward too. So I had to hold this thing the whole time. I dropped a bunch of super glue on the ground there, yeah. But I put a teeny bit. I got these bamboo skewers. I keep cutting them off and make them shorter and shorter just to put a teeny bit right there. And then I spray this away from the car. This is the activator, and get this all soaking wet and put one drop on there and then get it out of there. So I think that's what happened to my EV vehicle. Now these are both going pretty good. Not even graphited yet, just polished the axles. Whoops. No graphite yet. Just wheel polishing. That goes in there. So now, I figured that was important to let you guys know. And now here's the Monte Carlo. Whoop. You know, I grind down the bottom so it fits better on here. But it's the same deal. Two clips in the front. Oh, this one's different. Never mind. But this Jaguar I-Pace and this Viper were the same thing. They both go forward. Both go forward. That doesn't work for my jig. So I had to figure out something else to do, but I believe they're pretty legit. Oh, that's been pretty good. This one not doing too good. Well, they ain't got no graphite. Alright. Oh, that's the Jaguar. Alright, I need a magnifying glass for this because it's really low in there and I don't know what the... Alright, so the back goes to the back and the front goes to the front. So this is normal. So I put the axle in there and I'll pull it forward. Pull it forward. Yeah, I need to make grooves this way in here to pull it forward, not just straight down. That was my mistake. So that's it. I'm gonna see what I can do for this guy because this goes forward, this goes backwards, and these rubber bands work really well. And you gotta get two the same size. Alright. Learning every day, man. And that's what it's about. You gotta learn something new every day. At least something. You know? You gotta learn something new every day, and I have no idea. That thing gets so messed up how to put that damn cap back on. But it seems to not matter because you put the activator on it. I need a new bamboo skewer. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Let's see how I do this one. I gotta pull the back this way. Pull the front that way. I gotta pay attention to these clips because I only cut the little one off. You know what I just said. Pull it in the direction of the two clips. And the rubber bands are the same width. And if you have the same tension on them, I believe that will be better than what I did on the Jaguar I-Pace. Oh, there's some fuzz from the Joker. Yeah, man. Alright, let me get back to work. I'll see you later. Bye. Thanks for watching. So here's an example of what I just did. Now these two hooks are this way. And these two hooks were this way. You know. So I had to pull this back. I did this already. I just did this one. So now you see I'm pulling the axles forward. And I changed my mind. I brought them down here to get it tight. Brought them to the front. And brought them down here to get them tight. So now they look pretty daggone perfect. And a little teeny bit of glue in there and a little drop of this stuff. What's this called? Activator. Yeah, you gotta get the activator in there. And you can tell by the size it's pretty damn equal. Alright, so this is dry. We need to get this out. And we'll take care of this. Alright? I don't know if I have anything next, but we're going to shut this off. Make it short for once. Alright, so these two are ready for wheel sanding. Look at those big tires. Wheel sanding, and we'll try to get some weights in there. Where's my tungstens? They're out there somewheres. I like these tungstens, man. If lead is 0.41, tungsten's like 0.7 something. Somebody sent me that memo. Plus for itty bitty, here's one. I know they're here somewheres. That little guy is heavy, man. So are these. Little teeny tiny ones. Yeah, they're pretty good. Tungsten. Alright. We also got some cuttable weights. They're not very heavy, but you know, they'll help a little bit here, a little bit there. So, all right, short. I can never make a short video, but I'm trying, man. I'm trying. All right, now, thanks for watching, and have a great night. See you later.